welcome back to another season of Tech Bites.
Now in 4K.
My name is Andrew, and on today's episode, we're going to be revisiting one of our favorite tech gadgets from last season, the Arduino. If this is your first time tuning into Tech Bites, these are bite-sized tech talks for teens presented by High Tech U, an outreach initiative based out of the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at the University of Victoria in British Columbia, Canada. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. We've completely reimagined the Tech Bite format, and we really think it's something that you're going to enjoy. That said, let's get started with this episode of Tech Bites. So the first thing you might be asking yourself is, Andrew, what exactly is an Arduino? This is an Arduino. Well, one kind of an Arduino anyways, called an Arduino Uno, which is basically an open source electronic prototyping system for building electronics projects. Not to be confused with this, which is called a Raspberry Pi, or a Raspberry Pi 3B+, which is a more powerful computer that has gained a lot of popularity recently. If you want to learn more about the components that make up the Arduino Uno, or the little parts that are on the board, you can check out this video from last season of Tech Bites. But this season, we wanted to do something a little bit different. More than just focusing on all the technical stuff, we really want to introduce you to some cool and interesting tech topics and tools, and then empower and inspire you to explore more about them on your own. Now it's time for some tech history. Now, you might never have heard about the Arduino before today, but it is really popular when it comes to designing electronics projects, everything from radios to robots. Considering how popular it is, it's hard to believe that it's only about 15 years old, developed in 2005 for the Interaction Design Institute in Italy. Now, the name Arduino may sound a little funny, but it's actually got a really cool historical base. The Arduino's named after the location where it was originally conceptualized or thought up. That place was named after King Arduino, who is the king of Italy in around 1000 AD. So a really cool historic base for a really cool modern product. Now it's time for some tech fun facts. Fun fact number 1. In a 2014 interview with David Quartiez, one of the co-founders of the Arduino project, it was estimated that there were more than 700,000 Arduino boards in the wild, and that there was probably 1 to 2 clones per original board. So that puts the number of Arduinos that are out there in the wild, out there being used, in the millions. Fun fact number 2. Did you know that Sir Mix-a-Lot is a maker? In a 2014 interview with the YouTube channel Microchip Makes, the DJ revealed that he is a big fan of boards like Arduino that lower the barrier to entry for electronic prototyping for kids and others who might not normally have access to these cool technologies. Fun fact number 3. While you might not normally associate Arduino with a major sports brand like Adidas, in 2012, two worlds collided when a custom shoe was designed for the 2012 Olympics that embedded a live tweet right into an Adidas shoe. Check out this article for more information about that really cool project. We've almost reached the end of the first episode of Season 2 of Tech Bites, but before we go, we want to make sure to provide you with some great resources to explore the interesting and cool tech topics and tools that we introduce on these episodes. Today, I want to introduce you to 2 really great resources for learning more about Arduino and also getting some cool project ideas. The first one is the Arduino Project Hub, which is hosted by the official Arduino team. There you can find tons of amazing projects submitted by the Arduino community that can show you just how far the platform can go. The other really cool resource is Instructables. Now, you might have used Instructables for other maker projects or different things where you needed to learn how to create something new, but it's also a really great place to discover amazing Arduino projects that you could build today to explore the platform and build a really cool electronics product. And with that, we've reached the end of the first episode of the new season. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something new. If you want to explore a little bit more about our Tech Bites series, maybe even check out some episodes from season 1, you can explore our YouTube channel here, where you'll also discover our Q&A Corner series, which will be starting up in about a week or so. If you want to learn more about High Tech U, you can also check out the link in the description below. If you'd like to learn more about studying engineering or computer science at the University of Victoria here in beautiful British Columbia, Canada, you can also find a link in the description below for more information about that. With all that said, thank you so much again for tuning in, and I hope that we'll see you next time here on Tech Bites, presented by High Tech U. Bye-bye.